Greetings and welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today you can download this free guide. It is called the Online Business Blueprint 2024. It is created by a veteran internet marketer with 20-year experience. And here's roughly just the outline of what you'll be getting. This is a example sales page that you can also get with this download, and you can reuse it or even resell this guide for free. Here's the guide itself, Full-Time Online Income Blueprint for 2024. And here's the guide. It is roughly 20 pages long, and you can use this guide to give it away and build a email list if you want to, or learn from it yourself. And also you will be getting a series of videos on the Online Business Blueprint package. Alright, I'll leave the download link below about Online Business Blueprint by a veteran internet marketer. 100% for free, no sign up required. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel How to Webmaster for more free tips, tricks, and guides like this. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.